Many organizations still have a tremendous legacy when it comes to their IT landscape. It could be that organizations still have mainframes or rely heavily on iSeries, AS400s, and Kofax RPA is the absolute best RPA toolkit to automate these terminal-based systems. And what I want to show you in this demo is how we are connecting to an AS400 and how we can easily automate tasks there in order to, well, again, retrieve data. So what I have here is I've got a desktop automation workflow, but don't get me wrong, it is all happening in memory. So we are not relying on any sort of emulator running on a desktop. Everything we're doing is running in memory. So what we're actually seeing is that we are opening a session on an AS400, and again, of course, as always, we need to log in, and that is of course stored in the Kofax RPA password store in a secure encrypted manner. So for those of you who don't know an AS400, you always need to navigate this by using your keyboard and typically typing commands, and that's exactly what Kofax RPA is doing here. So we're actually just going through the process, and I'm just clicking through this, and at the end we're going to be retrieving a lot of these messages. So once we've done that, we've retrieved all of those comments, and we're actually logging out again, and we're stepping out of the robot itself, and we now have the availability to return this data. So if we run this in debug mode, you'll actually start to see the actual data being extracted. And as all Kofax RPA robots are also exposed as REST and SOAP web services endpoints, you could actually build a synthetic API for applications that are part of your legacy that don't have APIs yet. So again, this is a quick demo. Hope you've enjoyed this. Talk to you again soon.